Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? So let's see. Today I'm going to do a general card reading for my followers. I hope you all are resonating with the cards and you're enjoying the readings every day. As an amazing deck which I had picked long back, I thought I will open that deck for you today. So the first card which has come here is the Earth Guardian. Look at the pet, it looks so pretty. When Earth Guardian comes, it actually means that time to take up responsibilities, time to enjoy what is happening, but at the same time figure out how you need to do things and how you need to become more faster. You have been working properly, you have taken the right work, you've taken the right environment, but how to increase the speed of your work, that is what the card is a reminder, that you need to work on your speed, you need to speed in the process, and you need to work in such a way that you are appreciated for your work also. So now let's see what is the next card that is coming along with it. That's a beautiful card, Sun card. So if you plan and if you handle things the way with proper mindset and with proper planning, you will be victorious today. So today the card is saying that plan your day, be steadfast in whatever you're doing, and work in a very progressive way so that you know where you're handling, and if you do that, then you will be successful overall. So today I want to see what is the Bhagavad Gita card coming. Based on whatever card comes, I'm planning to give you all a small tip on that also, so that you can plan your day also, and same way as usual, what color, everything will be given. Now that's a beautiful card. I feel it is a day for you to feed some cow. So maybe some greens or some bananas. If you can feed a cow today, it would be really great. And if you can hear Achyutam Keshavam today morning, because that's a very beautiful song which I every day make it a point to hear. Achyutam Keshavam, you easily get it in YouTube. So hear it and start your day with that. Today's color, I'm guided to say this color. So wear this golden yellow. Wear a yellow today, and I'm sure your day is going to be successful. It's going to be prosperous. But I want to share one more small tip over here. Why a small tip? Because sometimes this card also means surrender to the universe, surrender to the divine. So today, as I had said, here Achyutam Keshavam, and offer some bananas or some greens to some cow. Apart from that, what you can also do is you can in the evening sit under the moonlight and just absorb the energies of the moonlight, saying that I'm absorbing the energies of the moonlight, I'm being blessed under the moon, and just sit there for 10-15 minutes and just let go of things which are troubling you, and I'm sure you'll feel nice, and you'll feel as if your energies are changing, and you will feel rejuvenated for the next day. So hope you all have a blessed and a great day. Thank you.